Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, gather every key fob and the master key, and sit in the driver's seat. Insert the physical key or press start once to ACC, keep doors closed. Turn ignition between OFF and on 2 times exactly, then back to OFF. This sequence tells the car to enter key learning mode. You do this because the Prius needs a trigger to accept new transponder data. Once done, watch the security light for the confirm pattern. Make sure the car responds before continuing. Now you program the fob itself. With the car in programming state, press the brake and press lock on a known working fob once to sync the session. Then, within 5 seconds, press lock on the new fob repeatedly until its LED blinks or the car's lock cycle. That confirms pairing. If you have more fobs, repeat the same lock press sequence for each one during this session, because the module only stores them while in programming mode. Finish by turning the ignition fully OFF. Exit the car and test each fob for lock, unlock, and push start function. If a fob doesn't work, first swap its battery and repeat the programming sequence, because low voltage commonly causes failure. Also check the vehicle battery. If it's below 12 volts, programming can fail. If problems persist, you need a Toyota dealer or an automotive locksmith with a Toyota-compatible scan tool to read key module codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.